Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Buick Enclave Leather Group, stock number X150A. Only 50,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, champagne silver metallic in color. The Enclave is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Fixed skylight overhead with sunshade. Middle row seats tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean as you can see. This leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Again, only 50,000 miles. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave is a 3.6-liter V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Enclave, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.